Hello everyone. Today we'll explore the various Boolean options. Rhino offers several functions, and today we'll look at them together. First, let's drag the icon. Let's start with Boolean difference. This function uses one solid to cut the other solid. So, we select the sphere first, and then the cube. As we can see, the sphere cuts into cube where the two solids intersect. Now, let's reverse the process. Select the cube first and apply the Boolean difference function on the sphere. And there you go. The sphere is cut into the cube. The Boolean difference function allows you to subtract one solid from another, creating complex shapes and precise cuts. It's a useful tool for quick and accurate modeling, both with direct and inverse operations. Now, let's look at the Boolean intersection. Select the option. Then let's test the difference between the two solids. First, select the sphere, then the cube. The result will show the intersection of both solids, keeping only the overlapping area. Now, let's try the reverse. Select the cube first, then the sphere. We'll see that the result doesn't change, because this function always gives the result of the intersection between the two solids. Let's now explore the Boolean split function. First, click the Boolean split option with the left mouse button. This tool divides a solid into two parts based on its intersection with another solid. First, select the sphere, then the cube. Now, let's try the reverse. Select the cube first, then the sphere. As we can see in the second group of solids, we use the sphere to split the cube into two parts. The sphere remains intact, while we now have two pieces of the cube. And if we move the different groups of solids into the first group, we can see that we use the cube to split the sphere into two parts. The cube remains intact, while we now have two pieces of the sphere. The Boolean split function is a powerful tool in 3D modeling, allowing us to divide one solid with another while keeping the original intact. This precision enables the creation of complex shapes and detailed designs, making it essential for anyone looking to work with intricate 3D objects. Now, let's look at the other function. If we right-click on Boolean to objects, we can see a different set of options. This function allows us to perform Boolean operations between two selected objects, giving us more control over how they interact. Let's see how it works in action. So, in this way, we can see all the Boolean functions and choose the one we prefer after we press Enter. By right-clicking on Boolean to objects, we can access different options that give us more flexibility in how the solids interact with each other. This allows us to select a function that best suits our needs for the project. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to stay updated on more content. See you in the next one.